Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Crypto Basics. In today's episode, we will be learning how to find transaction details on Atomic Wallet. To find your transaction details, first of all, open the Atomic Wallet app and make sure to sign in. After you're inside the home page, you will be able to see a little clock kind of icon at the top right corner. Simply tap on it, and here you will be able to see your transaction history if you've made any. If you don't see a transaction history, it means that you have not made any transactions from your wallet. If you have, then you will see your recent transactions. Each transaction will display the information such as your date and time, type of your transaction, amount of cryptocurrency involved in the transactions, and the status of transaction, that is pending, confirmed, or failed. You can also click on a transaction to view more details, including the addresses involved and any associated fees. So that is how easily you will be able to find your wallet transaction on Atomic Wallet. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will see you again in the next episode. Thanks for watching.